The Toyota Way focuses on respect for people and continuous improvement, which we call Kaizen at Toyota. It means an active search for a way to improve each and everything we do every day.
Toyota as a mobility company is really focused on providing mobility solutions for all.
Prior to moving to Teams, we had collaboration issues. We didn't have a holistic user set of tools that made that simple for our team members.
We know that in order for our business to succeed into that future of mobility, we've got to have more cross-functional sharing, and we feel like Teams is at the heart of that.
There are so many different lines of work, from manufacturing to R&D to sales, and Teams is helping us integrate all of those different lines of business into one place.
The pandemic really had a significant impact on Toyota.
Our original plan was to go and launch Teams over 6 months, and the pandemic hit.
We actually deployed Teams to 40,000 people over a 3-week period. Microsoft Teams has enabled daily stand-ups occurring on the plant floor, supplier, product, and plant walkthroughs happening completely virtual. You know, Toyota doesn't stand still.
We're really just trying to help people be more productive, be healthy, and collaborate with other people.
Part of the Toyota Way is a concept called Genchi Genbutsu, which is go and see the problem. So how do we solve Genchi Genbutsu in the time of COVID? We implemented a new process in a plant. We turned Teams on in the plant, and we're able to film the process in action, which made it highly effective. So they were able to accomplish in an hour something that would have taken weeks to plan, if not months, and days to go visit.
The expected business value of Microsoft Teams is untapped. The new way of working is really bringing a lot of creativity to the fold for our team members, and they're finding all new ways to leverage the different collaboration capabilities. It's very clear that we're getting savings in travel.
Whether it's continuously improving with a much larger group of team members and customers and dealers, I see Teams enabling us to really facilitate and grow the Toyota Way.